Hi everyone, and welcome back to another App Tutor video. Today we're going to show you how you can easily change your MacBook wallpaper. Whether you're using a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air, just follow my steps and watch this video until the very end. I'm on my MacBook's home screen right now, and our job is to click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen until this drop-down menu appears over our screen. We will then select this option called System Settings, and that will essentially open our MacBook Settings app. Find the section that's called Wallpaper and click on it once to open it. We will now be able to select and change the wallpaper on our MacBook Pro or MacBook Air device. So you will have a couple of different sections here which you can expand and see which wallpaper suits you the most. Apple gives us some cool looking and high quality wallpapers, so you can just tap on the Show All section to expand and see all of the wallpapers which each section has. The very bottom of this page has some solid colors if you're into that kind of thing. But let's select a random wallpaper and see how it looks like when we change it. When you find a wallpaper which you like, just click on it and it will automatically be set as your background. Sometimes you will have to wait a couple of minutes because the MacBook will need to download that wallpaper from their servers. You can click here and change the wallpaper mode from a dark mode to a lighter mode or vice versa. But if you don't like these default MacBook wallpapers and you want to add your custom photo as a background, then tap on the Add Photo, and then From Photos. This will open our Photos app where we will be able to select a photo which we want to add, and I'll add this photo as an example. That is how we can change our MacBook wallpapers. Thanks a lot for watching everyone, and I'll see you soon.